Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So do you need to erase annotations or markup and use a costume stamp in Adobe Acrobat? Adobe Acrobat allows you to remove certain comments, drawings, highlights, and markup tools while also letting you create and use costume stamps for approvals, signatures, branding, and document workflows. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to use the eraser and costume stamp in Acrobat or Adobe Acrobat in 2026, simple and effective. So first thing, how to use the eraser in Adobe Acrobat. So open the PDF you want to edit, open the PDF containing the markup, drawings, highlights, or comments you want to remove. Review the page to identify what needs to be deleted. Select the annotations or markup, click directly on the item you want to remove, for example highlighted text, shapes, sticky notes, stamps. Okay, so Acrobat treats these items as separate annotations. Delete the selected item. Okay, after selecting the annotations, press delete or right click and choose delete. The selected markup will be removed. Okay, so this is the closest equivalent to an eraser for annotations. Then how to use a costume stamp in Adobe Acrobat. Create a costume stamp, select stamp, after that costume stamps, and then choose a file such as PNG or JPG or PDF. Examples: company logo, signature image. Okay, so transparent PNG files usually produce the best results. Okay, name the stamp, enter category company stamp, signature. Okay, stamp name, for example official logo, manager approval, and insert the costume stamp and place and adjust the stamp. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.